dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see it, failed to send. If you try to on Instagram, just send someone a message on direct and you just receive error. So how you can fix it and why you see this error. So first thing you need to know, you need to check your internet connection. So just go to the settings. In the settings, if you're using Wi-Fi, just open Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. And if you're using mobile data, just turn off and turn on mobile data. And also you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. And if you still have this error, so just go to the general, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you, just try another way. So just try to log in into your Instagram account from another device. So sometimes it also helps. And if you still have this error, so just wait, because also you can try go to the general, just tap on software update and just install some updates on your iPhone. So just tap on download and install if you have it, and just try again to send someone on direct. So I hope that one of these methods will work for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.